Hamekarev is the family interactive fridge. In the last few years, the nuclear family communication has decreased. Family members don't talk to each other as much as they used to. The only public place at home that all the family members spend time in is in the kitchen, and usually visiting it individually. The main conclusion is that the center of the house is the refrigerator. We are already using the refrigerator's doors as a billboard and attaching important information to it. Hamekarev has 2 touch screens that cover the doors. The prototype was built based on the IR technology, IR camera, IR flashlights, and CCV program for analyzing the data. Hamekarev has a screensaver when no one is around, and when one approaches it, the application is revealed. The application contains much content based on research about typical family refrigerators. You can upload photos and videos from your computer. You can watch and edit your shopping list. Watch recipes tutorials. Look at the family calendar. Read your newspaper. Order takeaway and pay bills. Even connect to the social networks with a Hamekarev account, which its friends are family members only. You can change the background from your personal computer, add posts, and manage your calendar that creates the family calendar. This new platform is only the starting point that presents the way technology can bring closer the nuclear family members.